10 examples of why failure is a key ingredient to success. Thomas Edison. It took Edison over 10,000 attempts to invent the light bulb. When asked about his many failures, he famously replied, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." J.K. Rowling. Rowling's manuscript for Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was rejected by 12 different publishers before it was finally accepted. Today, the Harry Potter franchise is one of the most successful book series in history. Michael Jordan. Jordan is widely considered one of the greatest basketball players of all time. But he also experienced many failures along the way. He missed over 9,000 shots in his career and lost over 300 games. But he never gave up on his dreams. Steve Jobs. Jobs was fired from Apple, the company he founded, in 1985. However, he later returned and helped turn Apple into one of the most successful tech companies in the world. Oprah Winfrey. Winfrey was fired from her first job as a television news anchor. However, she used failure to pivot her career and eventually became a top talk show host. Walt Disney. Disney was fired from a newspaper job early in his career because he was told he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Nevertheless, he went on to create some of the most beloved animated movies and characters of all time. Stephen King. King's first novel, Carrie, was rejected by 30 different publishers before it was finally accepted. Today, King is one of the most successful authors in history. Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln lost many elections before he became the 16th President of the United States. He once said, "My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure." Colonel Sanders. Sanders was 65 years old when he founded Kentucky Fried Chicken. And he had experienced many failures and setbacks throughout his life. However, he never gave up on his dream and eventually created one of the most successful fast food chains in the world. Elon Musk. Musk has experienced many failures and setbacks throughout his career, including multiple failed rocket launches and delays in the production of Tesla vehicles. However, he has always used these failures as opportunities to learn and improve his work.